Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Are you looking for more space in your bathroom and in your shower? This might be the solution. This is a RV shower door from Nautilus. Retractable door, self-cleaning, and takes up very little space. Follow along through this install.
Here's the current door. Again, it should be pretty simple to get out. Gonna have to take a razor blade and cut up along here and get rid of the seal that's in here with the current caulking that's in there to seal it. From the inside, should be relatively easy. The only bad part is the RV industry uses these number 2 square bit heads. They're a pain in the ass, but anyhow, a couple screws here and here, down across the bottom. Take the track out, a couple there. Again, cut down along the side, take the track out the bottom, and I believe should be able to take this out in one piece. However, it's going to be heavy when you do that. So there's a stopper here. I'm going to take this stopper off here and down at the bottom and be able to work the glass out, and then take the 2 panels of glass out by themselves, and then take the rest of the unit out. And should save some weight and make it a little bit easier to get out. So that's the plan. Let's see how that goes. Alright, got that old one out. I don't want to ever hear anybody bitch or complain and say about Thor's quality. That whoever put that shower door in did it right. That thing could have been installed in Noah's Ark. There was so much sealing on there in the right places. There was no way that was ever going to leak. So got that out. Now it's just a matter of getting all this stuff here cleaned up. Get all this old stuff off. Got a couple of small holes that I'm sure turn this around. A couple small holes here that I'm sure that the new one's going to cover up, or maybe even use the existing one. But in any case, I'm going to put sealant in there to make sure that they're nice and waterproof, and get that cleaned up. And then we'll go ahead and start the new one.
Where dreams unfold, the adventure calls, a story to be told. With every mile, our spirits soar, freedom song forevermore. Supersede our adventures on the go, through the hills and valleys, don't you know? With laughter and love, we roam so free, a journey shared, just you and me. Heather by my side, Herbie and Bugsy too. Together we chase skies of endless blue. In our RV, a home on wheels. Every turn, a new world reveals. From mountain peaks to sandy shores, we seek the beauty
That's it. Pretty simple installation. As long as your shower is square, it should be good to go. It should take you less than a half a day to get this installed, probably just a couple hours. So if you like this video, give us a like, subscribe, give us comments down below if you have the Nautilus system.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, ciao.